Hello students, in this lecture we are going to study about Cannizzaro reaction. So Cannizzaro reaction takes place in aldehydes, those do not contain alpha hydrogen. So alpha hydrogen is absent in those aldehydes undergo Cannizzaro reaction. So in absence of alpha hydrogen or those aldehydes which do not contain alpha hydrogen, they undergo Cannizzaro reaction. For example, formaldehyde. So formaldehyde when undergo Cannizzaro reaction, what happened? The formula of formaldehyde is HCHO. Two molecules of formaldehyde are required. So CH2O. These are the two molecules of formaldehyde. When they are treated with concentrated alkali like NaOH or KOH, so we can write either 50% NaOH or concentrated NaOH, and the mixture is heated, we get the Cannizzaro reaction product. So this reaction is also called disproportionation reaction because one molecule of formaldehyde undergo reduction and other molecule of formaldehyde undergo oxidation. So what happened during the reaction? This in one formaldehyde addition of hydrogen takes place. So this hydrogen is added from NaOH to the doubly bonded oxygen, and one hydrogen is added to this carbonyl carbon, and we get its corresponding CH3OH. So CH3OH is formed, which is the reduction product. Addition of hydrogen means reduction product is formed, and the name of this product is methyl alcohol. And other formaldehyde undergo oxidation, means this NaO added to this remaining part of this formaldehyde. So this HCOONE means we get oxidized product is nothing but sodium salt of carboxylic acid, and the name of this compound is sodium formate. So sodium formate is formed, which is a oxidized product. So this is the oxidized or oxidation product of formaldehyde. So even though both aldehydes, same aldehydes, so both are formaldehyde, but one undergo reduction and other undergo oxidation, and therefore this reaction is called disproportionation reaction. So Cannizzaro reaction is also called disproportionation reaction because one aldehyde undergo reduction and other aldehyde undergo oxidation. So same aldehydes undergo different reaction, and therefore generally this reaction is called, Cannizzaro reaction is called disproportionation reaction. So one formaldehyde is converted into, one molecule of formaldehyde is converted into reduced product is nothing but a methyl alcohol, and other formaldehyde undergo oxidized product. So this other molecule of formaldehyde undergo oxidation, and we get sodium salt of carboxylic acid. So one undergo reduction and other undergo oxidation, and therefore this reaction is generally called disproportionation reaction. Okay, if we take a second example of alpha hydrogen, absence of alpha hydrogen carbon containing compound is a benzaldehyde. After formaldehyde, second example benzaldehyde. So benzene ring, that is phenyl group attached to the CHO group, aldehyde group, plus other molecule of benzaldehyde. So HCHO, CHO group attached to the benzene ring. So both are benzaldehyde when they are treated with 50% NaOH or concentrated NaOH or KOH. We can write here, we can take KOH in methyl alcohol. So we get here, we can take, instead of NaOH, we can take KOH in methyl alcohol. Then what happen? One benzaldehyde undergo reduction and other undergo oxidation. So addition takes place. This hydrogen is added to this carbon and hydrogen from KOH is added to this other oxygen. So we get the reduced product. So we get, after heating, we get reduced product of benzaldehyde. So this CH2OH is formed along with this benzene ring, and the name of this compound is, this is the reduced product because addition of hydrogen takes place to the benzaldehyde. So the name of this compound is benzyl alcohol. Alcohol is formed after the reduction. And other product formed, that is this potassium salt is formed along with this benzaldehyde. So this C6H5 phenyl group attached to this COO minus K plus. Okay, so sodium, instead of sodium, potassium benzoate is formed. So potassium benzoate is formed, which is a oxidized product. So alcohol is reduction product, and benzoate is a oxidation product. So two different reaction takes place simultaneously, and therefore this reaction is called disproportionation reaction. One benzaldehyde is converted into benzyl alcohol, that is a reduction product, and other benzaldehyde is converted into potassium benzoate, which is a oxidized product. So we get its corresponding one reduced and other oxidized product simultaneously, and therefore this reaction is generally called disproportionation reaction. Okay, now in Cannizzaro reaction also takes place. Cross Cannizzaro reaction takes place. So cross Cannizzaro reaction means the Cannizzaro reaction takes place in different aldehydes. So those contain absence of alpha hydrogen, means if we take one molecule of formaldehyde when treated with other molecule of benzaldehyde. So formaldehyde and benzaldehyde, when mixture of formaldehyde and benzaldehyde treated with 50% KOH solution, we get, or NaOH solution. So 50%, that is concentrated NaOH or KOH is used and the mixture is heated, we get one is the reduced product and other is the oxidized product. So benzaldehyde undergoes reduction, means addition of hydrogen takes place. So one hydrogen is added to carbon and other is hydrogen added to the oxygen, and we get a CH2OH attached to this phenyl group C6H5, and the name of this compound is benzyl alcohol, is reduced product. Benzyl alcohol, addition of hydrogen takes place with the benzaldehyde, we get a benzyl alcohol plus other remaining formaldehyde is oxidized. So remaining part of this formaldehyde undergo oxidation means here we get HCOONA and HCOONA sodium formate. Sodium formate is formed, which further acidified, and on further acidification which is finally converted into formic acid. So this is about the cross aldol condensation. Means two different aldehydes, those contain absence of alpha hydrogen, are nothing but formaldehyde plus benzaldehyde. This is formaldehyde and this is benzaldehyde. When treated with concentrated NaOH and the mixture is heated, we get benzaldehyde is converted into benzyl alcohol as a reduced product, and formaldehyde is converted into sodium formate as a oxidized product. Further on acidification, it gives formic acid. So this is about the cross Cannizzaro reaction. If we take an example of isobutyraldehyde, so formula of isobutyraldehyde is CH3CH3CHO. When two molecules of isobutyraldehyde undergo Cannizzaro reaction, then what we get the product C plus when it is treated with concentrated NaOH or a 50% NaOH and the mixture is heated, we get. So one molecule is oxidized and other is reduced. So first molecule is reduced means addition of hydrogen takes place, and we get here this one hydrogen from other molecule of aldehyde and one hydrogen from NaOH. We get CH3 as it is. This CHO group is converted into CH2OH. So primary alcohol is formed, and the name of this compound is isobutyl alcohol plus other molecule is oxidized. So CH3 as it is, and here COONA is formed, and the name of this compound is sodium isobutanoate. So we get two different products. One is sodium, one is reduced product, and the name of reduced product is isobutyl alcohol. This isobutyl alcohol which is reduced product, and other is sodium isobutyrate. So this is the Na, that is sodium, and isobutyrate is oxidized product. So this is about the oxidized products. So this is about the disproportionation reaction, that is Cannizzaro reaction with isobutyraldehyde.